Welcome to Math Tricks. Trick 1. Percentage flip method. We want to find 18% of 50. First, understand this rule. A% of B is equal to B% of A. So instead of calculating 18% of 50, we flip it. 18% of 50 is equal to 50% of 18. Now the question becomes easy. 100% of 18 is 18. So 50% of 18 is 9. The final answer is 9. Another example. 4% of 75 is equal to 75% of 4. Now 75% of 4 is easy. 100% equals 4. 50% equals 2. 25% equals 1. 75% equals 2 plus 1, which gives 3. So the answer is 3. Trick 2. Butterfly method. Fraction addition. To add A over B plus C over D, use the butterfly method. Multiply diagonally A times D and C times B. Add them. Divide by B times D. So the result is AD plus CB divided by BD. Example 3 over 4 plus 1 over 5. 3 times 5 equals 15. 4 times 1 equals 4. Denominator equals 4 times 5, which is 20. So the result is 15 plus 4 divided by 20 is equal to 19 over 20. Trick 3. Algebra FOIL method. FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, last. Example 2x plus 3 multiplied by 5x minus 2. First, 2x times 5x equals 10x squared. Outer, 2x times negative 2 equals negative 4x. Inner, 3 times 5x equals 15x. Last, 3 times negative 2 equals negative 6. Combine like terms. Negative 4x plus 15x equals 11x. Final answer 10x squared plus 11x minus 6. Trick 4. Exterior angle trick. Here A, B and C form a triangle and ACD is the exterior angle. Exterior angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. The exterior angle equals the sum of the two opposite interior angles. Example, this is triangle ABC with exterior angle ACD. Angle A equals 70 degrees. Angle B equals 60 degrees. Exterior angle ACD equals 70 degrees plus 60 degrees, which is 130 degrees. Trick 5. Flip the sign in inequalities. When you multiply or divide an inequality by a negative number, the inequality sign flips. Example 1. Negative 2x greater than 4. Divide by negative 2. The sign flips. X less than negative 2. Example 2. Negative x is less than or equal to 3. Multiply by negative 1. The sign flips. X is greater than or equal to negative 3. Thanks for watching. If you want more math tricks, like and subscribe.